Hi there, I'm Brittany, and welcome to Sienna in New Cumberland. Offering a fresh take on single-family living, Sienna brings together modern homes, planned amenities, and a location that keeps you connected to everything you need. Imagine coming home to a community where everything feels just a little easier. At Sienna, homes are designed for the way life actually happens, with open layouts, bright spaces, and room to gather, work, and relax. Whether it's a quiet night in or hosting friends and family, these homes give you the flexibility to make it your own. Sienna is designed to go beyond just the home. With planned amenities and a low-maintenance lifestyle, you can spend more time enjoying your space and less time worrying about upkeep. It's a setting that supports how you live every day, making it easier to create balance between work, home, and the time with the people who matter most. Living at Sienna means you're never far from where you need to be. Located just minutes from I-83, you'll have easy access to Harrisburg, Camp Hill, and Mechanicsburg. Enjoy nearby dining like Duke's Riverside Bar and Grill, Sophia's at Walden, and the Pizza Grill. Shop with ease at Capital City Mall, Wegmans, and Target. And when it's time to unwind, take advantage of nearby parks, the riverfront, and everything the West Shore has to offer. Our single-family homes are designed with real life in mind, featuring open concept layouts, modern finishes, and flexible living spaces. These homes give you the space to grow and the comfort to settle in from day one. Are you familiar with Ryan Homes? As one of the top builders in the nation, Ryan Homes has a team of experts that will walk you through every step of the home purchase process, making it easy and exciting. We are more than just a builder. We are here to support you, providing an excellent customer experience through your home buying journey and for years after. Buying new means saving money on costly home repairs, low monthly bills with energy-efficient systems, and the peace of mind that comes with a new home warranty. Thank you for exploring Sienna with me today. You're going to love your new community. Join the interest list to receive the latest community updates and invites to our exclusive events. We can't wait to welcome you home.